don't drink Patron. Don't do it. Oh, my bad. I forgot to say who I am. Hold on one second. Let me do this over. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sultry Lay. And guys, I'm doing something a little different today. I'm gonna do a ghetto mukbang. Alright, the reason why I'm calling it a ghetto mukbang is because I don't have a table. Like, it's nice today. It's nice. All the family's out. All the black people took up all the tables and started barbecuing. That's what we do. So I'm just gonna have to do this mukbang.